Okay, guys. I think today is gonna be the last day for this tutorial. I think this is the last time. Okay, so if you are just joining us, you just need to go straight to YouTube and then search for Nigeria Pride Crazy Tips, and you're going to locate one particular um, playlist. This is the playlist here, which is how to create app for free. This playlist contains up to 7 videos which you can watch from A to Z. Here is this particular videos you are looking at here is talking about how to create mobile app from scratch, which is we created news app here. Okay, so you just need to watch all of this video. You must not use this my own step. You can just use this particular idea to create your own app, and maybe it might not be news app, it can be another app, right? So try to watch it. And also we'll talk about how to add your ads to this particular app so that it will show add more ads. Okay, so and today we are going to publish this app which we started creating since. Okay, so we are going to log into our app creator 24 right now. Okay, all right, we are here right now, so we're going to open this news app right now, and then we'll go straight to download the app. We have added our um our AdMob app ID. All right, so watch our previous video, you're going to see how we added everything. Okay, um so now we're going to click on download app so that we can be able to download this app and then publish it to Play Store immediately. This is the one we're going to be downloading, this download.aab file. This is the one we are going to be downloading. Okay, then we are going to rename this to um Nigeria uh all okay all Nigerian newspaper, all Nigeria um newspaper. Then we start downloading. So this is nice, we have downloaded it. So this is the AAB bundle here. Now the next thing to do now is to launch our this stuff. Okay, now we're going to log into this play console so that we'll start putting our app immediately without wasting much of our time. So you just need to pay maximum attention here because we're going to be showing you guys some tricks on how to publish news app. You know, to publish news app is different from other um, methods. You understand? You can use simple method to publish other apps, but news app, there are some credentials that you must have before you can be able to run news stuff. So pay attention so that you will see how to publish it. Okay, and how to fill the Play Store listing and rest of them. Okay, so what we just need to do now is to click on create app. We are using mobile. Now here we're going to add the app name, which is all Nigeria. Okay, for us to get a good title, let's go to Play Store first and search for all Nigeria newspaper. So we are going to do something here now. For our app to show up, we are going to be including some other keywords which is going to work well for us. Here, this first one, all Nigerian newspaper. The second one is all Nigerian newspaper too. Nigerian newspaper. This one, this all Nigeria. Okay, now We just need to do something here. We need to add something to our own name so that it will show. Okay, now someone may ask to search for Nigerian news or news app. Nigerian news app, you can see it here, or Nigerian newspaper, or Nigerian newspaper app. This is the best Nigerian newspaper app. Okay, then we are going to put you can see that if you check here, you're not going to see any of this app bearing this Nigerian newspaper app. There is none of this. Okay, see it here, Nigerian newspaper app. This one has 1K. Okay, good. Now we are also going to add that same all Nigerian newspaper app, because this one has only Nigerian newspaper app. Okay, so we're also going to add all Nigerian newspaper app. Okay, now let's click on this to see other one. Okay, now all Nigeria newspaper app. You put comma, you put news. Wow. Okay, then we are going to click. This is an app, not a game. Is it free or paid? We go to click on free. Click on free here. Then here we're going to confirm the app meets the developer program policy. Here we're also going to accept this particular one. We then click on create app. Okay, now the Google Play console is now loading. So here now we're going to be adding some other features, the other necessary things. Then here we're getting started to set up your app. So start testing now. Set up your app, release your app, and let anyone sign up to test your app on Google Play Store. Build excitement for your app with the pre-registration. Create and publish a release. So all these things are types of or method of publishing which you can start, and then it depends on how you want it. Okay, so you can share up to 100 internal testers to identify issues and get early feedback. If you use this particular one, release your app early for internal testing. So just this left for you, but in my own case, we are setting up our app straight. Okay, so that is this one we are going to set up your app. That is the one we are going to be using. Okay, then we are going to set up the privacy policy right now. So how do we get this privacy policy? We'll go to our operator 24. We'll go to names and icon. You now scroll down. Okay, sorry, click on general. Once you click on general, you scroll down. We're going to see the link here. This is it. Copy this link. Then take it back to the Play console and then set the privacy policy here. Paste the URL and then you save it. Then go back to the dashboard. I think we are done with that particular one. Then app access, we're going to set up the app access. So here we're going to say that all functionality in my app is available without any access restriction. So that is what we're going to select, the first one. Then we click on save. Then we'll go back to the dashboard again. We are now going to set up the ads. Then we're going to say yes, it contains ads. Then we'll now go back. Okay. Okay. What is this? Which kind of play is this? Okay. They said I should text 9 digit PV to this code to know my polling unit. Okay, okay, okay. That is nice. Now thank you. Now try. Now then we're going to run on this content rating right now. We're going to rate our content. So we're going to start questionnaire. This is where we're going to pay maximum attention. Then we're going to put email. Put your Gmail here. Good. Then now say game, social or communication, all other apps. So we're going to click on all other apps here and click on next. Then here now they say downloaded app. Does the app contain any rating relevant content like all this stuff here? I'm going to say no. Okay. Now they say user content sharing. Does this app natively allow users to interact or exchange content with other users through voice communication, text? We now say no. Online content. Does the app feature or promote content that isn't part of the initial app download? We are going to say no. So now promotion or sales of age restricted product or activities, then you're going to say no. Now miscellaneous. Does the app share the user current and precise location? We're going to say no. So then I say, does the app allow users to purchase digital goods? We are going to say no. Is the app a web browser or a search engine? We are going to say no. Now, is the app primarily a news or educational product? So you can see it now. They said, is the app primarily a news or educational product? Here now, if you say yes, they are going to request for other credential which you may not have. So here we're going to select no. All right, I'm going to select no here, and then we'll then move to the next one. Okay, we're going to save this now, and after saving, we then click on next. So this is what our rating is showing us so far. So now we are going to submit this. That is it. We are done with this particular one now. We are done with this. Now we'll go back to the dashboard to complete other tasks there. Here is the target audience. We're going to set the target audience. We're going to start from 13 years to 15 years. So I think this is nice. 13 to 15 years is nice. Then let's go. Okay, appeal to children. Could your store listing on intentionally appeal to children? No. So we'll click on. Here is what you've told us so far. The target age group for your app is 13 to 15. Stop praising. Your app doesn't appeal to children. If your Google disagrees with this, you won't be able to update your app. So we're going to click on save. Then click on next. Go back to the dashboard. Then here we're going to select if this is a news app or not. So we're not going to allow these people they have their own policy, news app policy. So we're going to say no here. Okay, we're going to save it even though the app is a news app, but we're going to select no. Okay, so that they will allow us publish our app without talking what is not written in the Bible. Okay, so now my app is a public available COVID-19 contact tracing. No. So we're going to choose the last one. Then we'll go back to the dashboard. Okay, now we're going to fill the data safety. This is the main area where you are supposed to pay maximum attention, because this is where we run the maintain. I have a CSV file which in fact I come down to arrange this particular CSV. You understand? I'm going to import it here. It's going to override all this stuff and fill the whole form for us free without wasting our time, and it's going to be approved immediately on Google Play Store. So they are not going to send us feedback that our app is rejected or whatsoever. So you have to, if you need this CSV, I'm going to share it to you guys. Just click on the link at this video description and get this CSV. It's not going to be free. It's not going to be free, but it's going to be affordable. I'm going to sell it in a normal price, but at times I may feel to give it free. Okay, so just feel free to ask or request for it. I can still give it to you free of charge without collecting the time from you. Okay, so let me launch the the file. Let me search for it. Data safety. Let me search for it. Data safety. Data safety. All right, you can see. This is the data safety form. You can see it here, so you can get it when you visit the link at this video's description. All right, so I'm going to click on it now and then launch it here. So we just need to wait for it to upload, and then that is the final. The next thing is now, okay, you can see it now, it's now uploaded. So now we're going to import it now. We're going to import it now. For those of you that normally contact me telling me that their app has been rejected, you just need to do this. Okay, you just need to know how to import this thing like this. So, and you need the correct one. Okay, this particular one that I have here, even if you're publishing a dating app, any app at all, you can just use it to fill it once and it will just go straight. They will just approve your app without any rubbish. Okay, so here we're going to be clicking on it. You can see that all this stuff has been answered. You can see it. So I actually took my time to answer all this stuff here, and then export it as that CSV file. Okay, so that is just it. You just need to click on submit. Good, this is nice. So we are done with this data safety right now. So I think we are done with this particular side. Here is we are going to click on if this is going to be a government app or not. So it's not a government stuff or related stuff. So we're going to click on no, and then we submit it. So then we go back. Then here now we're going to start an app categories and provide contact details. So here is where we're going to do all those ones before we now go into the store listing. Okay, here is if the app or a game, so it's an app. So we're going to select the category. We're going to select news from here. News magazine here. Then we're going to click on manage tags. We're going to click this manage tag. Then we're going to select we're going to select tags for this particular app now. So we'll just wait for it to pop up. Okay, this is nice. We're going to select news. Okay. Okay. You just need to scroll down like this and then locate that particular one, news. and okay, you can see it, news aggregator, news and magazine. So all these are stuff that you just need to tick, so that if someone search for this particular app on Play Store, it will show. Okay, so you just need to tick as much as you can, up to 5. You can just pick from there. So I think this too is nice. You just need to leave it like that, and then we'll click on apply. This apply here, click on apply, and okay, that is it. So now we're going to put our store listing contact details, which I'm going to use my Gmail here. Okay, then my phone number also, we're going to put it here. Then my website, I have one particular website which I use for this particular place. That place is also an app, is also an app store. So it is known as a APK Lifeline. Lifeline, you can see it here. APK Lifeline. APK Lifeline dot blogspot.com. Sorry, .com. This is it here. Okay, this is the stuff. So if you need this theme, this particular theme I'm using here, you can just contact me, or if you have zeal to work with me on this particular site, just to be uploading APK like this, then we can work together, and then I apply for AdSense. Then we'll start making money through this place, and I'll share my revenue to you guys. Anybody who is ready to do that should apply. Okay, so I just need to copy this link here, and then go back to that to this place, and then paste it here. Then the next thing now is to save. Okay, sorry, here we just need to put the country code plus 234. Then we'll save it now. Yeah, that is it. So now we need to go back. We need to go back to the dashboard again. Then the next thing now is to set up our store listing. Okay, our store listing. Then here we're going to put the short description and the full description to this particular stuff. So how do we go about this now? We are going to copy this. Copy the name of this app, and then you open ChatGPT. Open ChatGPT. Let's refresh. You just need to wait small, let it open. Okay, you can see it here. Now we just need to click on here, and then we say hi. You say, how can I assist you today? And I say, okay, I really want to publish my app on Play Store, and I need short and full description for the app listing. Then you will pay attention to the list to see. Okay, say sure, I can help you with that. The short description is the first thing that users will see when they find your app on Play Store. So you can see it now. Okay. Yeah, he's telling you what to do. Say create task and to do list to stay on top of your work. Set a reminder and deadline to make sure nothing fall through the crack. Use the built-in calendar to schedule appointment and meeting. Okay, that is just it. Now, say my app name. And I say create short. Okay, let's say full description for my app on Play Store. We now put this sign here and then paste that stuff that you copied. Then click on this. It's going to generate it for us. And I say get the latest news from Nigeria and beyond with all the Nigerian newspaper app. A comprehensive news app cover all the major Nigerian newspaper and provide you with the breaking news, local news and international news as it happen. You understand? So all this stuff here now. Here are some key features of all. Okay, you can see it. So we are going to copy all this stuff right now to that to the place. So now we start copying it. Okay, I think this is nice. We'll copy it, then we'll go to Play Store and then paste it here. Okay. We'll still go back there to copy the remaining side. Okay. Okay. We still need to copy the remaining part of it. Now, let's still paste it here. Okay. Then from here now, we're going to say 1. Then okay, let's forget about putting that stuff there. Now we're going to put the short description for this. What we just need to do is to go to that Play Store and watch what others are doing here. Nigerian newspaper. Let's search for this. Then the first app that will show. Let's check the short description. You can see it here. This is it. You can see it here. Okay. Then we'll go back there to paste it here. Oh my god. Okay. I guess it will still be there. Okay. Then we'll. Wow, what the fuck? So I'm going to copy it again. Alright. You can see it here, everything is not nice. It's not okay. Then here is where we're going to upload the app icon. We're going to select the app icon. I told you guys about this icon. You should not use any logo from any company, otherwise they are going to label you copyright, and that is the end of your app. Even your console account will be at risk. So never try to do or copy anything from anybody. So just try to make sure your app is free from copyright. Okay. Nice one. So we're going to put feature the graphics. Okay. But we're also going to load this stuff right now. The screenshots. Okay. Let's put the screenshots from pictures. Okay. Now the first app here should be this. Should be this. Then the second one should be this. Third, no. Yes, this and this, this, this and this and this. Nice. Then we select it. This is nice, right? Okay. So if you really want to know how we did this, how we got this, then you just need to watch our previous videos. Okay. So you just need to watch our previous video. This is nice, right? So good. Then we're going to save this now. I have something here. Okay, the featured graphics. Now this featured graphics, now what we're going to do is we'll go to Pixels Lab. Okay, we just need to know the size of this featured graphic, which is 1024 by 500. 1024 by 500. Okay, now let's go to you click on image size. The wide should be 1024 and the height should be 500. This is it. So what we need to do, we just need to select those screenshots. Okay, select those screenshots. If you like, use this. If you don't like, you can just make use of anything of your choice. Okay. This is nice, right? Then I'm also going to import another one. So that is it. Then I'm going to save this now. Then we'll go back to the place and then click upload. We'll go to Pixels Lab, refresh it. Go to the image, go to Pixels Lab, and then select this particular one. It's going to upload. This is it. So we have to save it now. We are done with this. We are now done. So the next thing now is to roll out the app and then submit it for. Then we'll go to production. Go to production. Okay. Then here we're going to add to make some we're going to push this app now to Play Store direct. So we're going to create new release. Okay, you can see here we're going to upload the app bundle. We're just going to upload the app bundle here now. Upload. Then locate that app bundle that we downloaded from our app creator 24. Look for it on download. This is it on newspaper.aap bundle. So here this is a release note, a release name. Don't write anything there until the AAB bundle uploads. Yeah, done uploading, you understand? So just calm down and wait for it. Then here we're going to change this to initial release. I'm going to remove this and write initial release. Okay, initial release. This is the best strategy to upload your app without any issue. Okay, so you just have to follow this simple step to run it. Okay, successfully uploaded. Then we're going to click on next. Okay, we are going to do something. We have one error here, which is we have not selected our country. Okay, so we are going to do that right now. Okay, we're going to click on edit release here so that we can select our countries. Okay, okay, these are the country which you are supposed to select. Okay, then we go back to production. Then you click on countries. Once you click on country and region, you click on add countries. You understand? Then here we're going to select all the 173 countries and then click on add. And we're going to click on release. Okay, I think this is nice. Everything is now okay. Good. Okay, then we're now going to click next. So you can see the only error that we have now is the app targeting Android 13 or above. So this is just a normal error that we're supposed to see. And another one is we must complete the advertising ID declaration before you can release the app. Okay, so for you to do that, you just need to go straight to your main store, this thing, and then scroll down. Sorry, um go to your dashboard. I mean, go to your dashboard. Okay, um okay, you just need to locate your app content, and then okay, this is it, advertising ID. You're going to click on start here, and then um you say, does your app uses advertising ID? This includes SDK that your app imports. Then you're going to say yes. And once you say yes, then why does your app need to use advertising SDK? So we are going to put for uh um it is for just put app functionality, and then click on save. That is it. It is done. I think we are done with that. Okay, we have completed everything here. I think we have completed everything. Then we'll go back to that we'll go back to this to the production. We'll go back to the production, click on production here, so that we can now roll it out and send it for review. Good. Here we click on edit release. Now we click on next. Then you see that we have only one warning, which is normal warning that you're supposed to see. Okay, then here now we're going to now start roll out to production. So we are now going to roll it out for production. So you can see now the app is now in review. So in our next video, we're going to I'm going to show you guys the app live on Play Store. So you just need to wait for like a day or 2 days. You're going to approve this app, and you guys will download it on Play Store and see how it looks like. So thank you for watching today's tutorial, and may God bless you. If you like this video, if you really love what we are doing, subscribe to this channel, and as well as liking this video. Try to drop a comment at the comment section, and if you need that CSV file, you can just visit the link at this video description to get it for free. Okay, so thank you for watching.